Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of functions. Let's solve it together. If the function p is defined by p of t is equals to 3t plus 7, which of the following is equivalent to p of 3t minus 4? In choice A we have 3t plus 7, and choice B we have 3t minus 5, choice C 3t minus 12, and D we have only 3t. So, to solve this kind of question, let's rewrite the function again. P of t is equals to 3t plus 7. So wherever we see in parentheses t, we will go ahead and put t minus 4 on the next side to find the value of t minus 4. 3 times t minus 4 plus 7. So we will distribute this into here. So my son is on the background. He's trying to eat his ice cream. Sorry about that. 3 times t is 3t minus 12 plus 7. So when we just add them now, 3t negative 12 plus 7. If you have one negative number, one positive number, you do subtraction. You take away the least number from the greatest, and you keep the greatest number sign. So 12 minus 7 is 5, and since the greatest number is 12, we'll just keep it negative 5. So our final answer will be 3t minus 5. Which choice is that? The choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.